So after the name identity order by Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, the action is being done on ground by FSDA team as it's visiting the areas which comes on the route of the Kanwad Yatra. We are present at the Chinhat Tiraha near the Deva Road from where Kanwadiyas will go, and near that dhaba the eateries are being inspected by the FSDA team. And if you see in the visuals that the officers of FSDA team are writing the identity, the address, registration number, everything around the shops which was missing for years, for months, but after UP government's new order, you can see the inspection thing, the various amount of things, various amounts of elements. You can clearly get the sense how it is being pasted around the shops out here, and this is the best version of showing the identity. And if you have any doubt regarding the food item being served here whatsoever, you can just open the Google Lens on your mobile phone, be it Android or iPhone, and just you can clearly scan on this particular portion. Number 1 is for Android, number 2 is for iPhone, and once you'll scan, you'll get the sense to complain. This is the Ram Vilas Sahu's shop out here, and this is another interesting picture out here. If you see in the visuals clearly, in my front, 3 kind of masalas, in which one is salt, this is one chutney, and if it is fresh or not, or worth eating or not, that's why the FSDA team has collected these samples and now will move to the van to do the sampling. And right here the action procedure is currently on with the FSDA team working round the clock. And you can clearly see he is even writing it all in his diary, what masala it is, which company's masala it is, quantity he has taken, everything out here. So the action on ground is on, as India Today TV is reporting along with the FSDA team, as the officials are working around the clock around this particular area near the BBD, and you can clearly get the sense how FSDA is on the ground to make things right for the Kanwadiya. So as India Today TV has reached inside the mobile van of FSDA, you can see how the food items are being, the samples of them are being experimented out here. This is the sweet item, and to understand whether it's good to eat or not, the inspection process, the experimental process is currently on. As you see the FSDA officers inside this particular food van, and it's not just about this particular thing. You see a lot of masalas out here, chutney, namak, salt, everything out here, and these samples are being collected by the FSDA officers, and that's how they are dealing with this particular thing. As CM Yogi Adityanath has given the order for the proper food, he has talked about the quality of food. That means the gulvatta. He has stressed on the gulvatta, the quality of food, and that's why FSDA team is ensuring that particular thing, not just the identity purpose, but the focus is also on the quality of food. And that's why you see it from the ground that we are reporting from inside the lab to make you understand what all is being done to make your food full of quality, not just for you, but also for, especially for the Kanwadiyas who will be coming here from July 11.